check out some of the progress on the Chargers practice facility. You can see it's really taking shape. And I am still working on getting a license, not a license, but an authorization. I will be back here soon with my drone, and I will be providing some aerials of this facility to give you a better perspective. But you can see here the training complex, the building. Adjacent to it will also be 2 full-size football fields, and fans will be coming here, not this upcoming training camp, but the following training camp in 2024. We'll be able to attend practice and things like that, like I've been able to do with the Rams when I go out to Irvine. You can see some people up there on the roof today. Pretty cool. You can see there's a huge power line that runs across a stretch of this over pretty much all over the place throughout El Segundo. You can see some of that yellow or green outer layer sheathing. But I don't know how it translates on video, but in person, this is a lot bigger than I had imagined as far as like the renderings and things. Like in the renderings, it didn't look that tall, but it's a much grander scale when you see it in person. Very cool. A little bit breezy today, as you can see. Not too bad. And then I believe to the right of this building, you'll be able to see the football fields that'll come along. So I'm wondering if they've graded that area yet. Well, we'll only be able to know when we see the drone footage. So hopefully that'll be happening in the next week or so. I'm about finished getting approval on that, I believe. It is a little difficult getting some of these shots. Kind of cut off here by the Raytheon checkpoint, but can get some more shots here of the roof and stuff. See, they have some additional materials staged there on the roof.